today I'm back on another video. So y'all, I got my hair up. The toddler won't go to sleep, but I'm trying to get some self-care in because I feel like I deserve it. So when I went to Target the other day, I had got me some press-on nails. Malia, night. This girl. Anyway, so I'm gonna do I've been motivated by a couple of mommies. Press-on nails. I'm gonna try to do a pedicure. I don't know how it's gonna come out, but I'm gonna give it a try. What else? I'm gonna do my little skincare. I don't really have a routine, but I guess I'm getting one now. I'm gonna be using Brittany's collections. That's the face scrub, and then this is the body scrub. Y'all, this is so relaxing. And then I have here go my press-on nails, and then this is my face soap. So I like to start my skincare routine before I get in the shower, so then when I get out the shower, while I'm in the shower, I'm rinsing everything off, so that's easier for me, so that I don't have water all over the sink. So now I'm just gonna apply my soap for my face, and then I'll continue the other skincare routine stuff in the shower. And then when I come out, of course, I'll do the moisturizer, serum, and all that good stuff. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe, and come on, mamas, let's go and get some self-care. And if you're not a mom watching this, get some self-care in, okay? We cannot forget to do some self-care because we deserve it. So let's get into it. Look at your face. I can't even do my self-care in peace. Get off the floor.
God. Nobody, as long as you dreaming about me, ain't no problem. I don't got nobody just with you right now. For the truth, I look better under you. I can't lose.
Can I take a shower?
When I'm with you, how can us snooze and miss the moment? You just too important. Nobody like you do. I can't lose when I'm with you. I can't just snooze and miss the moment. You just too important. Nobody like you do. You do.
Good morning, guys. Happy Sunday. It's Sunday. It's the next morning. So it is about 10 o'clock. I didn't do my eyebrows. I didn't do my nails. I just relaxed. There's a pimple coming. Oh my god. So today is Super Bowl Sunday. My daughter is snoring, honey. But I am going to get a head start on Sunday reset a little bit. I said get ahead. I'm just gonna start. So I got some comforters that need to be washed. Y'all know Daddy-O does laundry instead of me. So all I gotta do is put up the clothes. So I'm gonna start that. And then my mom is gonna come later, and I'm gonna cook for the Super Bowl game. And yeah, but at least I'll have the house clean before we indulge in all the food and stuff. So I'm just gonna make some simple wings or tail dip and potato skins. That's what I'm gonna make. So yeah, I'm just gonna start the laundry.
Put it in drive, I'll be outside, I'll be on the way. I'll be on the way, you can beat me in 5, I'll be your man, I'll be your husband. I'll be your husband. Put it in drive, I'll be outside, I'll be on the way. I'll be on the way, you can beat me in 5, I'll be your man, I'll be your husband. I'll be your type of.
Alright, that load is in, but let me fix with some water and let's see how much I can get done before my daughter wakes up.
I just press a button in the top, go missing. I got the slip, so you know it's not raining now. What you wanna do? Worry about your friends, it's all you this afternoon.
Well, look who's up. Malia. Say hi. Malia. She don't see the camera. Look. Say hi. Hi. Oh, my baby. Okay, well, I gotta stop what I'm doing. Go put your pajamas, put this in your basket. No, your basket. Malia. Malia. Your basket. Put it in your basket. Go put it in the garbage. This is all I can do. It's okay. I did her hair and put on her clothes. What's the matter? Okay, I'm gonna put the TV on for you. Okay, turn off the light. Yay! Good job! So while I'm gonna make her some breakfast, she's watching Minnie Mouse, and I'm gonna make her breakfast, even though it's 11 o'clock. So I'm gonna eat, yes baby. So I'm gonna eat some eggs with spinach and peppers and bacon. My daughter is already eating, so. What is the matter? Okay, let me, oh, she probably want her juice. Okay, I'll see y'all in a little bit. Want bacon? You don't want any? Here. All done? You don't want it? More bacon for me.
Ooh, say what, say what, say what? Yeah, girl, you know what's up. Ooh, say what, say what, say what? Ooh, girl, you know what's up.
Why you say I did nothing for you? And if I do anything you want me to do, I have to say bye bye, yo. Bye bye, yo. To the love of my life, my eye, yo. Don't cry, yo. I need you don't and that's cry. I need to go and shadow. 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 Why you say I did nothing for you? And if I do anything you want me to do, I have to say bye bye, yo. Bye bye, yo. To the love of my life, my eye, yo. Don't cry, yo. I need you don't and that's cry. I need to go and shadow. 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 I need to go and shadow.
Alright y'all, I'm finished cooking. Mommy, say hi. We are eating now. We just sitting here watching the game and we don't know what's going on. You want more chips? Maria? So yeah, we're gonna sit here and eat until Rihanna come on. So yeah. I'm finally gonna do my press-on nails. I started, but I'm gonna finish the rest. And yeah, my pedicure came out pretty good. So I'm just gonna finish doing my nails. I got 3 more left to do. But so far, so good. Because I'm trying to save a coin, honey. These nails are only like $4 at Target. So get into it. So I'll come back once I'm done. I ain't trying to talk too loud because if my daughter hear me, she gonna wake up, and I'm trying to enjoy my little time alone. Yo, when I say my hair is so much itchy, I had to wash it, and then I made my little oil. My hair is so itchy. And when I say I ate like a pig yesterday, it don't make no sense. So today, I'm working out today. Maybe for like 45 minutes or an hour. I ate like a pig yesterday. And I want to make me an acai bowl, but I don't want to wake my daughter up. But, y'all, I ate like a pig yesterday. But my hair was so itchy. I just washed it. And I don't really have no plans for today, really. Probably just edit, chill, work out, drink water. And I feel like it's something I gotta do. I don't know. But comment down below, what do y'all think about Rihanna's performance at the Super Bowl? I think it was nice. And Riri is pregnant. Congrats, girl. But yesterday was fun with my mom, chilling and eating and stuff. But yeah, I'm gonna end this video right here. I want to thank you guys again for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And comment down below what ideas you would like to see me vlog here on YouTube. But I will see you guys next time. Peace out.